This is a Logan County alert for all Logan County residents impacted by the March 14th tornado. A federal disaster declaration is now in place for Logan County. Please apply for FEMA disaster assistance as soon as possible. You may apply online at www.disasterassistance.gov. You may download the FEMA app for mobile devices and use it to apply, or you may apply by calling toll-free 800-621-3362. Again, you may apply online at www.disasterassistance.gov. You may download the FEMA app for mobile devices and apply through the app, or you may apply by calling toll-free 800-621-3362. A disaster recovery center will open in Logan County next week to provide comprehensive assistance, but it is important to register before going to the center if possible. Thank you, Helen Norris, Logan County EMA Director.